Hey guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. Welcome if you're new. We're so excited you're here. And if you keep coming back, thank you. You are very valued. I hope everybody had an amazing long weekend, holiday, depending on if you celebrate or not. And I hope your Monday was good. Because by the time you see this, it will be almost over, I'm sure. I hope everybody's staying warm. It is quite chilly here in Texas. I'm freezing to death. I don't like cold weather, but that's okay. It's okay. We have to put up with it, right? We have to put up with the bad to get the good. Though I don't know if 113 was good. But anyway, right? I hope everybody got some good paper crafting in or painting, whatever you do. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you just got to rest. If nothing else, I hope you were able to rest and rejuvenate over the holiday or over the weekend. So today we are talking about how to age tape, and we are not using alcohol inks. We're not using ink at all. Well, we are using ink, but we're using this kind of ink, but we're also using other ideas, so don't go anywhere. In fact, why don't you come on in closer and we'll get started. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see it or not, but on this glassine bag, I have a piece of clear packing tape right here, and then I have a piece of scotch tape right here and right here. So those are the three pieces I'm going to show you. I'm going to talk to you and show you how you can age them without using alcohol inks. Now first, on all three, I would suggest using a clear gesso. What this is going to do is give it some grit, some tooth for all our other aging processes to hold on to. So this would be what you would start with regardless of how you're going to age. And all you're going to do is simply get some gesso on a paintbrush, and you're going to paint it on your tape. Okay, you're not going to press hard. Hopefully the tape will come off this glassine bag. You can also use a metal pan if you want to. Now keep it only on the tape. If you put it on the bag, then you might get your tape sealed to the bag. Nope. Is that a piece of tape? Oh, nope, I missed the tape. That's funny. Right here. And all I'm doing is putting a layer of clear gesso on it so you can see it. And now I'm going to do the big piece right here. And I'm just going to put it down the middle because I just want you to be able to see how to do it. I'm not trying to actually age these. Okay, so there's enough there. So what I'm going to do is hit these with my heat gun really fast because we want them to dry, and then the tape will have a grit to it, a tooth, so our mediums will stick to it. So let me go dry these really fast. Okay, now I'm going to give you different ways you can age tape. One of them is only summer related, and what you would want to do is after you get your clear gesso, and see how that shine came off that tape right there? And you can hear it, it's kind of scratchy. That's what your gesso does. It gives it a tooth for things to grab onto. So what you could do is in the summertime, coat everything with lemon juice and put it out in your hot summer sun. Now it might take a little while, but it would be an all-natural process and it would be really cool. But what I'm going to demonstrate to you now is you could use coffee. What you can do is make whatever kind of coffee you use, make a cup, come in here and paint your tape after you have coated it in the gesso. Let it dry, paint it again, and get that color you desire. So it might take several coats of painting with coffee, but that will age your tape. Okay, Now another way is using these type of inks. What you can do is take your ink and just run it over it. This one has a little lump in it, but just run it over your tape, and then you take your finger and kind of smudge it out until you get the color you want. And see, that gesso helps it grab on, and when you peel it off, and these glassine bags are awesome for this, then you have an aged piece of tape. Of course, you would go to the edges and everything, but I want you to be able to see the difference. And if we put this on music paper, you can see it there. So it just depends on what color ink you use, what color you will get. Now I used one that was a little mustard darker because I wanted you to see it. So that's one way, using these little teardrop inks. As you can see, looks very good. Now, another way is to use paint. And I'm going to use some yellow paint with a drop of brown. This is all acrylic paint. And all I'm going to do is get a little bit of yellow and a little bit of brown. And I'm going to mix that up. I got my brush here, and there it is. And I'm just going to mix it up. And I started with yellow and not brown because I wanted to control the level of brown. I didn't want it too dark. I need a little darker than that. Not a lot. So all I'm going to do is add just a little bit more brown, but not a lot. There we go. And I'm going to stir that all in. Okay. And I wanted to add the yellow so it has that old look to it, like a lot of aged stuff does. And then once I get it the color I like, then I'm going to come over here to my other piece of scotch tape. And I'm going to paint it on the gesso so it grabs a hold. And then I'm going to use my finger to kind of come in and spread it around. Okay. And then I'm going to pull it off. And if I'm not happy, I'm going to come in and just kind of rub it again so it's a little thinner. So I'll come in and use my thumb and kind of rub it in. And then you have another aged tape. Hey guys, the tape comes out really good with the coffee, but you have to let it like sit and layer it upon layer upon layer. But look how good it came out. And then there's the other pieces too. So I'm very happy with how they all came out. I hope you are too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these 4 different ways that you can age tape without using alcohol inks. Again, you can use lemon juice in the summer, hot sun. You can use acrylic paints. You can use teardrop ink pads or regular ink pads. And you can use coffee. Lots of fun. Create your own unique age tape. You can make all of these as dark or as light, as yellowed or as brown as you want them. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, please hit that subscribe button with that little bell. We have a lot of videos coming your way. On Wednesday, we're doing our weekly art vlog. I'm talking what to pack as an artist. What are my must-haves to pack? And we will also be talking how to prep different surfaces for painting, plastic, wood, So come back for that. And on Friday, I'm going to give you some great gift ideas for the artist crafters in your life. I will see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.